Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are going to learn about advantages and disadvantages of divisional structure. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you are new to this channel, it's worth subscribing, so consider it. Advantages. It is completely based on a separate product specialization. This helps to develop diverse skill in divisional head, and this also helps to reach him higher position. This is because he gained experience in all function related to particular product. Next advantage, divisional head are responsible for profits, as revenue and the cost of different departments can be easily identified and assigned. These provide as a proper base for performance measurement. It also helps in fixing responsibilities in case of poor performance of division, and suitable corrective action can be taken. Next, it promotes flexibility and initiative because each division functions as an autonomous unit, which leads to faster decision making. Next advantage, if organization expand and grow the new division, it can be added without interrupting the existing operations by keeping all same, because it's just adding another division head and staff for the new product line, so there is no change. These are all the advantages of divisional structure. Moving on to disadvantages. The first disadvantage is conflict may arise among different divisions with refers to allocation of funds and further participation. Division may seek maximize its profits at the cost of other divisions. Next disadvantage, it may lead to increase in the cost. Sometimes there may be duplication of activity across the product, thus providing each division with separate set of similar function increase expenditures. Next disadvantage, it provides manager with the authority to supervise all activity related to a particular division. As time goes on, such manager may gain power. To assert his independence, he may ignore organizational interest. These are all the disadvantage of divisional structure. Overall, suitability. Divisional structure is suitable for those business enterprises which a large variety of products are manufactured using different productive resources. When organization grows and need to add more employees, create a new departments, and introduce a new level of management, it will decide to adopt a divisional structure. So divisional structure is suitable to this kind of organization. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series, which is on comparative or difference between functional and divisional structure. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.